Hello, beautiful souls. I am Yasuko, and it's time for Massage Monday. Neck and shoulders are very popular areas for massage requests. This week, I will share 8 different self-massage techniques to help release tensions in your neck and shoulders, because I need it. You can follow along to release your tight neck and shoulders. The first one is sternocleidomastoid pinch. Sternocleidomastoid, aka SCM, is this neck muscles that's prominent when you turn your head. It comes from the mastoid process behind the ear and splits to attach to sternum and clavicle. Pinch lightly from the top to bottom. This muscle has many functions such as rotating the head, flexing the neck, extending the head, stabilizing the neck to maintain posture, and even assisting in breathing and chewing. SCM has lots of trigger points. These trigger points can cause referred pain as headaches and facial pain. If you have a nagging headache in a specific location, it may be caused by trigger points in this muscle. Let's do the other side. If you're having a hard time grabbing this muscle, tilt your head a little bit to create a slack so you can catch it better. There are carotid arteries very close. At any time, if you feel not right, stop doing it. Next is GB21 massage. GB21 is an acupressure point, gallbladder 21. It's the highest point in the center between the neck and shoulder. It's where it must hurt good on many people. But skip this if you're pregnant because this point can induce labor. Don't stimulate this point until after the due date. Find the GB21 with the opposite hand. I usually press it with my middle finger supported by index and ring fingers. While you press, move your shoulder up and down 10 times. Then rotate your shoulder 5 times in each direction. Front side and back side. Let's do it on the other side. Press GB21 and move your shoulder up and down 10 times. You can change the intensity by lifting your shoulder up higher and let it go. Squeeze your shoulder and let it go. Rotate your shoulder 5 times in each direction. Front side and back side. The next one is traps pull down. Traps or trapezius muscle is a large diamond-shaped muscle that runs from the base of the skull to the mid-back and covers the neck and shoulders. We will focus on the top area. Again, don't do this if you're pregnant because you will be pressing GB21. Grab your shoulder muscle trapezius with your thumb in the front and other fingers on the top. Take a deep breath and pull down by simply lowering your elbow as you breathe out. Repeat on different areas on the shoulder. Let's do 5 times. As you lower your elbow, your thumb will dig under the trapezius. The functions of trapezius muscle are tilting and rotating your neck, extending your neck, abducting your arm, stabilizing your spine, stabilizing and moving the scapula, shrugging your shoulders, and helping when you throw objects. Repeat on the other side. Next, palm squeeze the neck and shoulders. You can squeeze your palm to give a wonderful massage to yourself and your loved ones. Simply squeeze your neck from the front on the same side and the opposite side. Continue on to squeeze the shoulder, but again, skip this if you're pregnant. Sorry. Switch hands and repeat on the other side. Squeeze the back of the neck too and go up and down. Let's do 10 times. Switch hands and go up and down as you squeeze. Next, let's loosen the traps attachment. I mentioned that the trapezius is attached to the base of the skull. It helps to loosen the attachment site. From the depression in the center of the base of the skull, the trapezius muscles are the roping muscles on both sides between the outer depressions. We will massage 3 points on both sides. Grab your head with your thumbs on the base of the skull. Hook your thumbs and circle 10 times. Move to the second point and circle 10 times. Instead of just circling your thumbs, move the entire hands to move your thumbs to save your thumbs and give yourself a head massage. Move to the third point and circle 10 times. By massaging your neck and shoulders, your circulation to your brain is better already. The head massage is a bonus to improve your circulation to the head muscles and scalp. If you tilt your head backward, you can dig deeper. Next, let's do neck stretches. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and lower your right elbow so you're pulling the shoulder muscles forward. Look down on your right shoulder. Take a deep breath and look up diagonally up on your left. Try to keep your right ear close to your right shoulder as you look up diagonally. Move your right hand and do it on several locations on your neck and shoulder. If you're pregnant, you can do the neck part but skip the shoulder part. Let's do 5 times. Let's do the opposite side so it doesn't get jealous. I don't name my body parts, but I treat each part like a person with its own feelings. Let's do 5 times. Next, let's stretch the front of your neck. Place your hands below the neck and look upward as you breathe out. Let's do 5 times. To maximize the stretch, move your hands down slightly and put your jaw forward as you look up. Lastly, lymph drainage. Put the opposite hand by the neck and shoulder and caress down towards the clavicle 10 times. Then caress the above and below the clavicle from the center to the armpit 10 times. Do the opposite side. Caress from the neck and shoulder 10 times. And from the center to the armpit 10 times. You don't need pressure to do lymph drainage. Let me know which techniques you like the most. When you feel your neck and shoulders need help, do the ones you like. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.